Hello participants, welcome back. I'm Rakesh Mohan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the cube roots of perfect numbers. There are two types of numbers, extracting cube roots of perfect numbers and imperfect numbers. In cube roots of perfect numbers, you will not get decimal answers. But in cube roots of imperfect numbers, you will get decimal values in answers. So usually in our academics in school, we don't calculate cube roots of imperfect numbers. Usually it is used only in research and in practical applications of mathematics. So here we will learn only with extracting cube roots of imperfect numbers, not only cube roots of perfect numbers. For that there is a basic requirement to extract cube roots of numbers of up to 6-digit numbers. You should remember the cube values from 1 to 10. Like in multiplication tables, you have to remember tables up to 20. Like squares, you have to remember 1 to 20. Very similarly, you have to remember the values of cubes from 1 to 10. Say 1 cube is 1. You should know the answer. And you should also know 1 cube should ends with 1. So you should remember the answer of cubes of numbers as well as the ending numbers. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. 4 cube is 64. You have to memorize this. Spend 2 to 3 minutes memorizing the numbers. 5 cube is 125. 6 cube is 216. 7 cube is 343. 8 cube is 512. 9 cube is 729. And 10 cube is 1000. Now we know that the ending numbers have not repeated anywhere here. So that makes extracting cube root very easily. The ending numbers in the answers, no number has repeated. Okay. So spend some 2 to 3 minutes, come back, then watch the video. You'll understand the method very easier. Now, the next step is you should understand taking the range and find the cubes of ending numbers. Very simple. I'll give you examples. You want to calculate the cube root of 1331. See, you're extracting a cube root, so the number is 3 here. Whatever the number of digits you have here, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 6-digit number, 10-digit numbers or 100-digit numbers, always the last 3 numbers you have to make one group. Always the last 3 numbers is one group and the left side number one group. Here 1331 I have divided last 3 numbers 331 as one group and this left side number as one group. This one as one group. So here for this you have to take a range. And here you have to focus only on the last number. You have to find the cube of the last number mentally. Okay. So left side number should take the range and the last number, second group, you have to find the cube of the number. That's all you have to do. So let us take here. See, 1 comes between 1 cube and 2 cube. Right? The range. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. 1 comes between 1 cube and 2 cube. So the answer starts with 1. Fine? So let's forget this group. We'll come back to second group. 331. Find the cube of the last number. The last number is 1 here. 1 cube is 1 and 1 ends with 1. And put that 1 here. So answer is 11. So cube root of 1331 is 11. So 11 into 11 into 11 will fetch you 1331. Opposite is cube root. I'll give you another example, exciting. Two 197. 197 is one group and 2 is one group. See, 2 cube, so 2 comes between 1 cube and 2 cube. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. So 2 comes between 1 cube and 2 cube, the range. So answer starts with 1. Take the last number. Cube the number. 7 cube. 7 cube is 343. And 343 ends with 3. And put the 3 here. 13 is the answer. Another example. Five 832. 832 is one group. 5 is one group. See the range of 5. 5 comes between 1 cube and 2 cube. Answer starts with 1. Last number is 2. Cube the number. 2 cube is 8. Put 8 here. 18 is the answer. Another example. Nine two six one. 261 is one group and 9 is one group. 9 comes between 2 cube and 3 cube. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So 9 comes between 8 and 27. Answer starts with 2. Fine. Take the last number. 1. 1 cube is 1. It ends with 1. So put 1 in front of 2. Answer is 21. Very easy. We have to find the cube root of 15625. Again, last three numbers is one group, left side number is one group. 15 comes between, again, 2 cube and 3 cube. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. 15 comes between 2 cube and 3 cube. Answer starts with 2. Last number 5. Cube the number. 5 cube is 125 and 125 ends with 5. Answer is 25. Now we have to extract cube root of a 6-digit number. Again, last three numbers is one group, left side number is one group. Okay, 681 comes between 8 cube and 9 cube. 8 cube is 512 and 9 cube is 729. 681 comes between 8 cube and 9 cube. So answer starts with 8. Come to this group. Last number is 2. Cube the number. 2 cube is 8 and 8 ends with 8. Answer is 88. Another example. You want to cube of 614, 125. 125 is one group, 614 is another group. 614 comes between 8 cube and 9 cube. Answer starts with 8. Last number 5 cube is 125, ends with 5. Answer is 5. That's all. Now you can tell the cube root of any number in just 2 to 3 seconds. No paper, no pen required. Another example take. Cube root of 9,41,192. Now not underline anything. 941 comes between 9 cube and 10 cube. So answer starts with 9. 2 cube is 8. Single number, ending number is 8. Answer is 98. Finally, an example, you will enjoy this. Cube root of 8,84,736. 884 comes between 9 cube and 10 cube. Answer starts with 9. 6 cube is 216, ends with 6. Answer is 96. So, dear participant, this is how you can do cube roots of numbers, of perfect numbers. Now, if you just put some 10 problems and solve it, you are ready. You don't have to practice the technique. You don't have to revise. The technique is there and you can use this whenever you want it, whenever it is required. Thank you very much.